What if I told you there's a country with more debt than the United States? Not in dollars, but as a percentage of its entire economy. That country is China, and its total debt has ballooned to over $50 trillion, surpassing 300% of its GDP, far more than America's 260%. The question is China hiding a ticking time bomb? And how could it affect your investments or job, even if you live thousands of miles away? Let's break it down. China's debt problem isn't just big, it's massive. Between government borrowing, corporate loans, and household mortgages, China's total debt is now over $50 trillion, or more than 300% of its GDP. For comparison, the US is at around 260%, and even that's considered high. But here's the twist. China's debt is buried in layers of state-owned banks, shadow lenders, and hidden obligations from local governments. After the 2008 financial crisis, China fueled its economic rise with endless infrastructure projects, funded by massive loans. Cities built highways, bridges, and real estate developments, even if no one lived there. Then came the real estate frenzy. Developers like Evergrande borrowed heavily, built fast, and sold dreams to homebuyers. Local governments depended on land sales to repay their own debts. It was growth on borrowed time. Many fear a collapse. But China's system works differently. The government owns or controls major banks. It can delay defaults, censor panic, and quietly inject money to avoid a crash. Still, warning signs are everywhere. Real estate prices are falling. Developers are going bankrupt. Some cities are running out of money to pay salaries. Behind the scenes, China is scrambling to contain the damage, but the cracks are growing. If China slows down, the entire world feels it. They're one of the top importers of oil, metals, and food. A Chinese slowdown could crash commodity prices and hit economies from Australia to Africa. And if Chinese debt ever triggers a financial panic, global markets, including your investments, could take a hit. This isn't just China's problem. It's a global domino. China's debt is 300% of its economy, bigger than America's. But unlike the US, China hides its cracks behind walls of control and censorship. How long can it hold? And what happens when the dam breaks? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and check the description for more insights. Backhand Index Pointing writes subscribe now and stay smart with your money.